So hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we're updating you. Sadly, the email application Tempo has now disappeared from the network. Well, it's sunsetting, and we're going to give you everything you need to know in today's video. So to start things off, we've moved house recently, so I'm currently in the shed. And I haven't actually got anything set up, so you can currently see Weetabix in the background. So apologies. This is obviously temporary, like Tempo, and as you can imagine, hopefully we'll be back to a decent filming studio soon, which we've never had. So we'll get it. So today's video is actually about Tempo is sunsetting on October the 29th. Some really sad news. When I saw it in my inbox when I was using Tempo, I was pretty sad, to be honest, and I tweeted saying, am I actually the best person to be talking about email apps? Because I used Newton for ages and then it went, and then I've used Tempo and now it's gone. So I feel like if I give you a recommendation, it might plague the market or plague your decision. But it's really common, as they're saying in this, like 8 people they got like loads of investment support from some good sort of VC firm, and it goes. Email apps are notoriously quite high in cost in order to run, and they also naturally quite difficult to run ongoing. And this is why apps like Superhuman probably charge £30 a month, because that's the sort of pricing that they really need to keep developing it, keep maintaining it, and keep really growing as a company without the necessarily reliant can control their sort of work with VC efforts. So the good news is that Tempo are releasing their final version, the latest version, without any new updates, a standalone Mac version. You can download it here for the Intel-based Mac and also the M1 Mac, and it only supports Gmail or Google Workspaces like it did before. But that's the standalone version, which is good. So they're actually going to have a working version that you can use. So it's actually not really the end of the day. That's the great thing about the open source environment. And they're also open sourcing a few more things. The icons they have inside of their set, the dark mode converter, email parsing, and also Notion's template that they have. So they're really giving away everything they can. But what is interesting in itself is that this page that they've offered up as sort of a bit of information about how and what's happening with Tempo is sort of like a pitch page. It's like what's happened with Newton. Like, people actually like, maybe we should buy Tempo, but they've got a list of all the team and investors who work there, and also credits and special thank yous to other people. And it's a really sad day. I'm probably still going to be using the Intel-based version, just download it and keep going with it, because if it's still there, I really like the application, so why not? However, there are obviously some good reliable ones on the market. I know Spark is one by Readle. Spike is growing in popularity over the last couple of months. I've already received Superhuman invites, so maybe I'll give that a go in a couple of months, who knows. But there are so many applications in emails on the market right now. Edison, just trying to think of more. There are so many. However, there's a fair few options. It's a shame because all of the good ones that look really attractive somehow always get hit. And it is actually a real shame. But as you can imagine, hopefully you found this video useful, and hopefully it gave you everything you need to know. I'll include the link to the page below. But if you want to check out some more of my Medium writing, you can in the link in the description. A big thank you for stopping by today. Make sure to subscribe, like this video, and comment below with your thoughts on the email market or this situation. Again, looking forward to actually getting the home studio ready. It's probably going to be ready in like 3 months, so maybe more videos from the shed, but I might spruce it up a little bit or do something with it, because yeah, it's sort of a bit embarrassing, isn't it? But a big thank you everyone. Make sure to have a great week, keep productive, and I'll talk to you very soon. Cheerio.